Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Tokir Abid speaking from the floor of I-CET Academy. Today here I am presenting an enthusiastic speech in English about Defense Day, 6 September 1965. Lion is lion, nobody can challenge. When he roars, nobody can manage. Lion is fearless, lion is brave. He protects his area and keeps all safe. 6 September 1965 is a memorable day in the history of Pakistan. On that day, Indian covert forces planned and attacked on Pakistan but received unforgettable defeat. Pakistan's brave army fought undauntedly and told them that the head will be separated from body which raises against Pakistan. The tongue will be cut down which utters poison against Pakistan. The legs will be cut into pieces which walk against the dignity of Pakistan, and the eyes will be rooted out from forehead which design plots against Pakistan. No man will be spared. No man will be spared if he went against it. No voice will be born if it raised against state. The enemy considered it a mild game to overcome the territory of Pakistan, but it became a Herculean task for him, as each young soldier of our homeland fought as the battle of his survival. The plan of enemy remained unsuccessful and the situation was made totally opposite for him. Even at the end of war, Indian army was forced to yield and was pushed back to its own territory. Consequently, India ran towards the United Nations and begged for mercy in shape of ceasefire. It is said that nobody should do such a work which becomes a chain for him. The same story was repeated at the Battle of Indo-Pak War of 1965. The attack of India became great mistake for itself as India bore a heavy loss of property and lives. Pakistani armed forces proved their worth and established their supremacy over the timid brain of Hindus. Pakistan Air Force, Army and Navy, being a united power, pushed Indians back to their country. Our voice is that Pakistan live long. Our view is flat, Pakistan long live. No argue, no logic, no talk, no debate. A thought is that Pakistan long live. To gain power is less dramatic, but to maintain power is more heroic. Pakistani nation and armed forces showed a great scene of discipline and coordination. Then the moment also came when at the front of Chavinda, Sialkot, the brave and dare Mujahideen lie before tanks and submitted their bodies to the ground, their souls to the heaven and their name to the pages of history. This day reminds us that being a single unit, no one can break us, so we should always live with harmony to one another. Pakistan Zindabad, Pak Army Pahindabad.